Hello everyone. Let's continue the Eurocode 7 Geotechnical Design class. In this one, we will try to continue chapter number 8, I think, slope stability, embankment, and hydraulic failure. So this time, I think we are going for embankment, right? So it means the section 1 of this chapter is finished over. Next, section 2, embankments. And this section is not that much, so we'll try to cover everything today. Okay, this part is just about talking rules and everything. Yeah, the most interesting part will be this example, because this in here we will talk about the design itself. We will do some design. Okay, here is just about discussing the rules. So some people might find it maybe boring. Yeah, but we'll try to cover all the 3 points today in this video: scopes and content, limit state analysis, monitoring, and maintenance. Okay, let's start with the first one, scope and content here. So embankment and scope and content. So when I say embankment, some people might not understand what it means. It about this type of structure. See road embankment, this case and this case. So you can see this type of failure may happen. And this one is dam embankment. So in this case, last case is even more complicated because we have a lot of failure modes, a lot of causes of failure. Okay, so we'll try to see what is Eurocode 7 saying about this. Okay, so let's go. So we go first. This is kind of just introduction. So Eurocode 7 is saying that we should also apply the section 12 of the code to this embankment for small dams and infrastructure. Okay, so small dams. But what is the definition of small dam? What is small dam and big dam? That is a question. So this reference, Frank et al. In 24, try to give a definition of what is a small dam. Okay, so according to him, can be considered small dam, a dam of height approximately 10 meter. Okay, so if you have this kind of dam, so you can consider that dam as small. So the following rule will apply to that dam. Okay, so the section 12 embankment has following subsection. Of course, general, which has 2 paragraphs, limit state 2 paragraph, action and design situation 8 paragraph, design method and design consideration 13 paragraph. So this kind of thing you can just go and read it. It's easy understanding. Ultimate limit state, serviceability limit state and design, supervision and monitoring. Okay, so since embankment are not constructed by are actually constructed, sorry, by placing fill. Okay, as you can see, you just come and place fill on ground. So you have some time to improve the ground, do some ground improvement, because you are bringing you are bringing weight on a ground. So you have to make sure the weight you are bringing can be supported by the ground. Okay, that's why sometimes you have to do ground improvement to improve the bearing capacity of the ground